Yeah? What is it? Are you gonna bite me? Okay. I'm not going anywhere.
I've been playing with you all morning. I literally stopped to just have my coffee, and now you're not even letting me finish talking. I need to have some me time. No, it's not all about you and what you want to do and how you want to play 24/7.
Did you miss me, baby? Oh, did you miss me? Yes or no? I don't understand. Really? Where's Muffin? Where she's hiding at? Do you want to eat? Do you want to play? Okay, let's go. Let's go play. Let's go. We know. Where's your toy? Where's your toy, baby? You got it?
Stop it. I can't eat in peace. You too.
Yeah. Meow. Meow meow. Will you pull around? Okay.
Annie, guess what? Chicken. Guess what happened at work today? You don't care.
Bye-bye. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. You can't have no more. You're done. You're done, kitty. You're done, kitty. You washed up. You're past them.
We gotta go find him? We do? We do? Where'd he go? Can you take me to him? Oh, okay.
No, Steven, we're not going outside. It's so cold. All right, I will let you out, but you're gonna see. Okay. There you go. Go ahead.
I gave you catnip. I brushed you. I don't get it. We're so good to you. I think we're pretty good to you. Oh. Really?
Hey, baby. Hey. Baby.
Whiskey, I gotta go. You gotta let mommy go to the gym. No, honey. I gotta go. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm coming back. I'm coming back, honey.
You're not going outside. No. 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 Cats don't go outside. Not inside cats.
Wow. Yeah. Good job. Did you bring your mouse up because your other toy's here? Yeah, good job.
Okay.
Look at me. Get down. Get down. Get down.
Arnie, you're too old to be jumping up here. You're 14. You're gonna break your hip. Yes, you are. You're gonna break it, and then I'm gonna have to take you to the hospital. Yes, I am. Who's gonna pay the bill? You? Because last time I checked, you don't have a job.
You're not getting any more treats. I said you're getting some later, you're not getting any now. I know you're not happy about it.
Let's glare at you.
Don't come at me again like that.
What? What's wrong?
No, you have to learn your place. Don't you talk back. I said you need to learn your place.
Yeah, you wanna go to bed now?
No. 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 Sure, I'll pet you. But no treats.
What? And then what? Uh-huh. And? I know. I've been at work all day. You don't pay the bills. You don't pay the bills. You want to go to work? Be my guest. Tomorrow morning, Waffle.
What's going on? What? You want to tell me about your day? Oh, it was good? What'd you do? Oh, that's nice. That sounds really good. Oh, wow. Ain't that? Jeez, you did a lot.
Linkerton, you already had some treats. Floof.
What? I fed. Oh my God, cat.
I'll get you. Coming. Down. How do you get that?
He jumps from the table.
Every time I bring food up here, you start. Nah, bro. You better take that. You better take that tone out your voice.
Oh my God, she looks so fat from above. She was just. Oh, you heard me? I'm sorry. You're skinny.
You gotta go inside. Come on. Tomas, we have to go inside.
Yeah, you wanna eat? Yeah, no, it's fine. I wasn't talking to you. Yeah, you and Dad are gonna eat? Okay.
Walter, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, you want to go? You want to go for a walk?
Away! That's crazy. You're kidding. That's what I thought. Get out of there. What the hell?
Look at your weird ears. You're not even that pretty. Okay, you're kind of pretty, but you're a little meanie.
Girl, daughter or not, your ass still get whooped. You better stop fucking with me. And stop doing it every time I turn around.
你得配合爸爸，知道不知道？你现在好多粉丝呢，你配合爸爸，好好演出，知道不？嗯？你看你肥了现在，
Tina, sit. I'm a lesbian.
DeMarcus, what are you doing exactly? Are you grooming me? What the? DeMarcus, now I gotta wash my whole head, dude.
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
Kitty. Kitty, be a nice kitty. Why you gotta be like that?